Sanibonani babukele emakhaya. Sike satibuta young climber ukuthi ngabe sikhona yini sizathu sengaphumelele empilweni. Khona yini info lengakwenda empilweni ungaphumeleli. Hleze mhlambe info lengakwenda kusinoma uphumelele nje ngweshana ungadikhanzi uhlabana uhamba empili kuleyo field lo mhlambe ufuna kuphumelela kiyo. Kumbe ungaba ngumuntu loshonelwe badali kude lokusitayo kude lokukhulisayo mabangakushonela umncane ke ngabe lokho kungaba yini sizathu sekuthi ungaphumeleli. Sambile ke safuna umuntu longasita ukuthi sihlolisise lenzaba ukuthi sikhona yini sizathu sekungaphumeleli empilweni. Sambe sayothola lomnye umntwana intombatana leyashonelwa badali bobabili isangakaqali ngena esikolweni. Sayihlola ukuthi ngabe bekungaba yini sizathu lokho sekuthi ungaphumeleli. Zinhle Mhlanga intombatana lesitholile ilapha enyuvesi leyaba sihlabani yaba number 4 kaNgwane ka form 5. Sayibuta ukuthi aseyite itasitshela ukuthi wenta njani lapho khona timo matitimbi kokuthi uqhubeke uphumelele. Uyakhumbula ke mbukeli ukuthi young climber iyatholakala ku onke ama social media platforms, sikhona futhi na ku YouTube. Kani ke siyafika nasetindzaweni lapho khona kuhlangana abantu labasha fayekhathi tikolo nemabandla. Namhlanje ke mbukeli sinaye Zinhle wakamhlanga yotasisita ukuthi singaphumelela njani uma timo tilikhuni. Hlela kanye nathi ke mbukeli ehlelweni. Lamhlanga umuntu akabonga lokuthi ube kanye nathi ehlelweni. Mhlambe nawe ungakunalo ithuba nje ukuthi uvusele umbukeli. Mhlambe kafisha bese soyasichasisela nje ngokuthi ufika njani nje kube number 4 kule level kaNgwane ka form 5.
Ngiyanibingelela babukeli emakhaya. Siyajabula kuba nani ehlelweni lanamuhla. Passing Form 5 was a small deposit to my ultimate goal of being the best and the most influential economist in Swaziland. So I've always had that desire that I want to change the economy of Swaziland, though I'm not going to do that alone. And there is a part that I had to play before I get to that ultimate goal. I had to work hard at school. I have to give it my best. That is why I ended up getting those good results in my Form 5.
Umuntu wonke omusha wathi ukuthi hayi fanele ngisebenze kakhulu, I must work hard. Kuwe working hard bekuyini? What is working hard? Ngabe mithi angana working hard ngiyafeyila. Ungaku quantify nje ukuthi give me working hard. Naku wena ungathi yini working hard lolo uthi inyalo lositshela ukuthi bowumenta bowentani kahle.
For me, working hard is setting priorities first and then going an extra mile always. For you to outshine in the end of year results or national examination results, you have to go an extra mile. When the others are busy with social media platforms, that I'm not saying that is wrong, but it has to be minimum, where you have to go an extra mile. Okay, when people are studying 2 hours, you have to double that amount of time which you are going to dedicate to your study. When people are running around not knowing what they are really doing, you take that time, you use it profitably, you use it for your books, you do your assignments on time, you study you study and prepare for test on time, so that when the time comes, it finds you are ready.
Awuthemba mbukelo ukuthi uyayibamba indzaba uthi labanye mabadadisha awala amabili wena double that, wena dadisha 4. Labanye mabathi mina ngiyadadisha 4 hours, wena double that, dadisha 8. Ngoba phela wena ligol lakho likhulu and uthi ufuna kuba number 1 even. Lokusho ukuthi fanele wena udadishe kakhulu kwengqawo wonke umuntu lo laveni. So ngacabanga ke ukuthi wena mawula ezindwendweni high school lo lena ke yena wenda njani ngoba wena awukatimiseli ngekuhlula leninaye la esikolweni. Ngabe asesithi nje ezindlela abanye abantu bathi namhla weza Friday weza weekend wena ema-weekend akho behamba njani ngoba labanye bathi hayi mina ngiyatadisha kuze kushaye lesine, hayi Friday ngewami i-weekend yami, but nje kulamanye amalanga ngiyasebenza. Kuwe wena lofuna kuba best in the country bekuhamba kanjani ema-weekend bowati ibhola ezingakhi, bowuphumula nini udadishe ngabo lezingakhi?
On Friday, i-weekend yaqala and Friday bantu banema-plans vele, we are attending parties and everything. Loko you can do it, but-ke kufuna wati ukuthi isikhathi salokudadisha vele sitawuba khona. If nangabe vele kune-event letawudinga ukuthi ube khona, you do that cause kudzingekile ukuthi usocialize nebantfu. But-ke that means you have to find time. Nangabe-ke bohlala ulala 8 hours because wena uthethe isikhathi waya ephathini and it was necessary, uyati-justify vele uyahamba. Lokusho-ke ukuthi kumele kube nguwe lo watike ukuthi okay, namuhla ngeke ngize ngilale 8 hours lengihlale ngimlala. I have to recover lama hour ami lawa lengiwaluzile. On Fridays normally I used to come back ngiwashe ama-uniform ami, ngente konke lengimele ngikwende ekhaya, ngizihambama before ngilale. Okay, ngingasho ukuthi I have short term goals. Lokusho ukuthi almost every day kwamele ngikwende. That is kunema-house chores lengimele ngiwende lakhaya every day ngiyati. Okay, incwadi tami akungameli ngilale ngingatifunzi, iBhayibheli lami akungameli ngilale ngingalifunzi. Those are short term things. Noma ngabe ngibhizikwani, noma i-weekend or it's during the week, I make sure that I always do that before I sleep. Kuthi nini, but I have to find time noma ngabe ngibhizi.
Lokusho ukuthi wena kulo 365 days lonke ilanga ufundzile incwadi takho, lonke ilanga ufundzile iBhayibheli lakho, lonke ilanga. Ngizama ukuthi mase seholideyini nje impilo yakho ishintsha njani? Seseholideyini siyaphumula wena best student, ngoba ngifuna mne kokuthi la ka-Young Climber sithole lokuthi lama best student enda njani wona mase holideyini lakho liholiday lihamba njani?
Mina nje ngingasho ukuthi I love traveling. I'm an adventurous person. I love trying new things. But njengoba ngishilo ukuthi okay vele kwamele socialize nebantfu, sihambe nakuthiwa holiday nje sihambe enjoy nema-friends and families, but ekugcineni kwako konke I know ukuthi I'm owing lapha. Kumele ukuthi ngithi ngingalali ngibe sengikwendile lokwa, and I always make sure ukuthi I do it.
Monday to noma abe holiday noma abe lesonto, kanti uphumula nini wena ukuthi sitawuthi hayi namhla Zinhle akafunzi ilanga lakhe lekungafunzi? Likhona yini ilanga lekungafunzi kuwo?
Kude langa lekungafunzi because kufunza it is not necessarily doing le geography noma doing le maths. You can grab a newspaper, grab a magazine. There are a lot of things lotifunzako, even the external sources langa code that related nesikolo sakho, because nakuthiwa nje uyafunza kahle kahle ufunza vele ngalokuthi what are the things that are happening around you. Mina njengoba ngisho ukuthi I wanna be an economist, I have to be observant, ngibuke ukuthi kwendekani kangwani eSouth Africa, kwendekani. Lokusho ukuthi part of my watching e-TV, it's going to contribute to education yami because I'm learning something. Reading the newspaper, reading a magazine, reading a novel, I'm learning about a culture yase-States nangabe leyo ncwadi ibhalwe ngumbhalo wase-States. So reading akufunza akusiko vele lokuthi ufunza timvo taseklasini kuphela.
Mbukeli njengaloku uva uyayichaza Zinhle Mhlanga indzaba ngokuthi mine umuntu lo waba best student mhlambe lo waba number 4 kangwane kune culture lesekunayo ukuthi lonke ilanga ngiyafunza, kunedino futhi lengathi misela ngato ukuthi kude ilanga leliyawushona ngiyolala ngive ngathi cha sengalala ngingakafunzi naku kunema subjects lengiwabhukako ukuthi liBhayibheli kufanele ngibe ngimuntu lolithethe ngalifunza ngathola emavekuphila incwadi tami kufanele ngibe ngimuntu loke watifunza kuleli suku lanamuhla mhlambe ke nalokunye but uyabona lokuthi kunale culture yekufunza. Masibuya ke Kevin Mbukeli utasichasisela kabanti Zinhle ukuthi hawu ngabe yena impilo uhleze ube number 4 nje ngilokuthi yena impilo beyimnanzi kumbe bekadlangela isoso legolide kumbe bekunjani mhlambe lomunye umbukeli uyasho ukuthi mina ngeke ngikhona ngoba ekhaya kude isoso legolide sitawuva ke maka sibuya ekhefini ukuthi emasoso egolide kumbe ngiwo yini laphumelelisanako hlaya nathi Mbukeli kwanyalo sathi shelele ekhefini. Asiphinde sinamukele babukeli ehlelweni ihlelo Young Climber. Namhlanje na ehlelweni ngina Zinhle wakamhlanga. Zinhle intombi lapha nga2016 leyaba number 4 kuleli vela kaNgwane ka form 5. Kusho ukuthi wonke umfunzi lo wabhala ka form 5 kwathiwa mase kubukwa liuhla ukuthi labahlabene wakhanzakala libito la Zinhle laphuma laba lesi4. Ngabe Zinhle kebhana laba waba number 4 ngema aggregates noma laba number 4 makulist emagama ngoba lento ihle ihlupha lomnye wathi mina ngaba number 6 ngekulistwa kwemagama but kahle kahle ngaba number 3 wena kuwe kwaba number 4 le aggregate noma kwaba number 4 le listing.
Kwaba number 4 ngeaggregate lokungiyo lebukwa kakhulu vele.
Manje bese sakhuluma la Zinhle ukuthi lomnye umuntu ucabanga ukuthi kunema plate egolide lapho khona kudla laba bese bayahlabana nje wena nje bowufa kudla emaplate negolide ngabe impilo uba number 4 nje impilo niphethene njani nempilo?
Oh yeah, life has not been an easy journey for me. I struggled to make ends meet, more especially matters concerning my education. That is why I even started schooling later, because I had no one to pay for my school fees.
Okay.
But God being God, as he said, everything works together for the good of those who love him. Ngaba nenhlanhla yokuthi make thandi up naloku ngimake labe kamsebenta make asakhona. Wathi ukuthi after ashone make bamfana vele impilo itawusala ibe lukhuni. Kwaba nguye lo wathatha irresponsibility umplomdzala ukuthi amane asifunele tiponsa letingasita ukuthi tisibhadalele esikolweni. And ngiyabonga ukuthi ungaba nayo lenhlanhla leyo sponsor lengasifola bese ngisangibhadalela. Sangithembisa ukuthi ngikubhadalela nawuphasile kuphela. That was one thing lebeyingidriver vele ukuthi ngisebente kamatima esikolweni, because I knew ukuthi ngafeyila kanye siyayekela siyofuna labanye bamfana labatimiselayo. So I had to make sure ukuthi every class ngiyaphasa ngivele ngichubekele embele. And ke kwendeka njengoba ngisho, and I'm grateful ukuthi my primary ngafunza ngayiphasa kahle, ngathola position 3 nationally with 7 A's 1 B. Ngachubeka ngaya e-high school kaBoys, ngathola nakhona I was in the top 3 nationally with straight A's labang 9. Ngachubeka ngaya ka form 5 solo ngitimisela, because solo ngizama ukuthi mane ngingapholoti nje kwenteke kuthiwe sengiyafeyila nako ngeke basangibhadalela esikolweni. Ngatimisela, ngasebenta, ngafunza, ngaphumelela nakhona. Ngaphola bo A star labang 4, ngaphola A munye, 3 wabo B nasi munye.
Njengaloku uyiva indzaba Mbukeli ekhaya, noma ngabe impilo ikunika isimo lesinjani, usengayithatha leyo mpilo leyo kulobo buhlungu lekunika bona uphumelele. Mhlawumbe nje umuntu akathathe leli thuba bonge lana siyeva ukuthi kunamake ethande abna nenhlangano yabo lesita abantwana siyakubonga kakhulu lokho siyakukhuthatha emaswatini shengathi angaba maningi emaswati la enda umsebenzi lomuhle lofana naloyo manje naku ke Zinhle usesikolweni bantu makwami my mother this my father this wena awukhoni ukuthi uhle uphika ngama my mother na my father nalokuthi nje ke phela ku natural emntwaneni noma kunyongana ngaboma kwakho hayi sisuka wena baba wakho hayi sisuka wena mama kwakho wena ikuphethe njani impilo ngalesikhathi nje mase ucabanga ukuthi hey emadoda yini ngathi umuntu uyedwa
kubhlungu kakhulu and uva ukuthi ikhala kulesinye isikhathi but uphindze utibude ukuthi ngidawukhala bese kusidani because sekwendekile I cannot change it I have to accept myself as I am accept the situations that comes on my way as they are nyalo nje ngiyafunza ngise-UNESWA ekwaluseni kulesinye isikhathi nakuvalwa tikolo abafundi bayajabula ukuthi they are excited they are going to see their parents after such a long time because bebasolo basesikolweni mina kude ngidawuphuma ngibhekephi because ngiphelele nje mina kwami nakuvalwa tikolo kumele ngihambe ngiyofuna umsebenzi ngibone ukuthi impilo itawuchubeka kanjani semester lengena ichamuka labanye ba excited ukuthi bayohlala emakhaya baphumule nemindeni yabo but kude lengakwenda ngidawuphumelela nami ngaleyo ndlela
mbukele ude sizathu sekungaphumeleli ude sizathu sethi mina ngashiwa kumake mina ngafelwa ngibabe mina nangu umfundzi embikwethu uthi ngisenyuvesi mabavala labanye bashaya ihule ngokuthi baye ekhaya bayokuchazela batali kokuthi kwendekene esikolweni bebadoyitoya kumbe bekunjani mina ngite loyo mtali lendawo yakuye impilo yami ngingumma kwami ngingibabe wami mhlambe nawe mbukeli ubhekene nesimo lesinjalo nangu lomunye lofana nawe kejana yena uthi ngeke ngizivumele lesimo singendele phasi ngiyasukuma ngiyaphumelela yize kunje mhlambe ke lana Zinhle ukhuluma indzaba ukuthi wafika ka form 5 wabasihlabani lomnye uyatibuta ukuthi ufika njani kaBoyisi noma mhlambe uyatibuta lomnye ukuthi hawo lo wena siyeva ngazi ukuthi walena ufika njani usithola njani nje isikolo lesimnanzi lesinjengalesi uthola ukhona njani lokuqhubeka ngoba lo muntu uthi hayi mina ngiyakuva wena waba nenhlanhla mina inkinga yami ukuthi ngasuke ngathola isikolo lesilema ekhaya kumbe kwabanjani ufika njani wena kukhona kuthola lo wakhona ukuthola nethi naku so uyakhona kudadisha kumbe so dadisha ngabogesi ebusuku sifika njani isimo lesinjalo
indzaba yesikole okay kuze utokhona nalokuthi ungene kule high school loyifunako kufuna kucale lokutimisela khona le primary but primary vele bamfe inqumbi nje bayivangazi ukuthi yini lengiyidadisha kumse primary evengazi nje ngihamba ngeklasini kutabonakala khona ukuthi kwendekani thine ngaba nenhlanhla ukuthi okay bengiphase kahle ka grade 7 so benginayo vele le choice ekuthi ngidawo yala kutawukhetha mina ekhona because they had no reason ekungireject as long as nje imali tekubhadala titawuba khona of which bese ngilakhi ngisipholile sponsor ngahamba ngaya la ngifuna khona kona nale ka boys nami bengisaba ngoba bekuhlale kuthiwa hey ufunza abamfana laba smart kuba khona nje nalokuthi uhle uti doubt vele ukuthi I know hayi ngathi ngiyengikhona ngindeka nje bekungilamangwane primary la bengifunza khona la bengikhona khona kubahlula lena eish batasuke bafike bangicacade labamfana but ke akameli ukuthi utibukele phasi everyone is powerful beyond measure as long as you tell yourself you gonna make it I assure you on that it has worked for me and it's still gonna work for me
mbukeli uyayichaza Zinhle lenzaba dindimba netindimba tetincwadzi mbukeli lesingatibhala ngenzaba yaZinhle kokuthi kunemntwana lo alahlekelwa abadali bobabili asengakangeni ngisho naka grade 1 ayinvombatana but loyo mntwana loyo watimisela kangangoba namhlanje ulapha enyuvesi yaKangwane wenda khona tifundvo tekudura nakhona uyatimisela akavumelanga simo nekubabete batali noma kuhlungu bempilo kokuthi bumvimbe phasi. Kukhona ababukeli labangibukako namhlanje labeva ngazi usibona hayi ngilokuthi mine impilo ayingihambelanga kahle, hayi ngilokuthi mine kunjanjanyana banetizathu bathi angiphumeleli ngenxa yekuthi nangu Zinhle namhlanje na uthi noma ngabe impilo ikunikani ude sizathu sengaphumeleli. Amagama akho ekugcina Zinhle kumbukele ekhaya sesiphuma ehlelweni.
Ngingasho kubabukele emakhaya ukuthi ningadibukeli phasi, nako nje la kucala khona. You can achieve anything. Greatness ya wonke muntu, doesn't matter the background. I-background yikhohlwa ngayo, just accept the identity that comes with Christ. Yathi ukuthi na uphethe Christ empilweni yakho tonke letintfo titawuflow, kutakulungela konke. Na umukele Kristu empilweni yakho bese soyatimisela because naye angeke utitshele ukuthi ngiyawuthandaza nje, ngitshele Jesu ukuthi Nkosi ngiside ngiphumelele. You need the Christ in your life and you need to play your part and then yena utawube sesoyachubeka konke nakuye and then you play your part as well. Utawubona wena tawendeka i-magic, not necessarily i-magic but nje konke kutakulungela. Siyabonga abalaleli.
Mbukeli njengaloko usho uthi thatha Jesu uthathe kudimisela impilo yakho itawuqhakaza. Bekuhle kuba kanye nawe ehlelweni mbukeli, akube kuhle kubukela inhlelo ezilandzelako. Inkosi inibusise. Bye bye.